What's the meaning of crosshatch? Crosshatch. Crosshatch.
Crosshatch. Crosshatch. Crosshatching is a drawing technique that involves using closely spaced parallel lines to create the illusion of texture and shading. When two sets of parallel lines are drawn at right angles to each other, this creates a crosshatching effect. The resulting image contains a series of crisscrossing lines that give the appearance of depth and dimensionality. Crosshatching is commonly used in pen and ink drawings, as well as in etchings and engravings. It can add a sense of realism and complexity to artwork, while also creating interesting visual patterns and textures.